Welcome to this beautiful project Virtue Baby. This is a beautiful initiative to help mothers and fathers who are actually planning to bring forth life. Are you planning a virtue baby? So you need to take care of your hearts and minds. How do you prepare yourself to bring forth a virtue baby in your life? Today in this time, there are so many things, there are so many people who are going to guide you to do the best for your baby, and you are willing and open to do everything possible to take care of your hearts and minds. But the first and foremost is that we need to optimize the health of the mother. That's very, very important. We need to make sure that your general health is fine. Your viral markers, your complete counts, your ultrasounds, those medical tests, they have a lot of value because that's the basis. The foundation of your body has to be very, very healthy. But with that, we don't have to forget your mind. You need to have a healthy mind as well. So what all you need to do to have a healthy body and mind, we are going to talk about in this preparation. You need to maintain a very healthy diet. And when I talk about a healthy diet, it is not just nutrition that we talk about. We know what a balanced diet is. All of us have been actually taking care of our diet plans, not just for our bringing forth a new life, but also for the health of our body. But we need to be sure of a good emotional diet as well. We need to be clear that our mind has to create pure thoughts, pure feelings. Every little decision that you are making today is impacting you and your baby. The new life which is going to come and grow within you, you are the world for that life. It is very important that with a healthy diet, you also have a healthy mind. Exercise has a very important role to play. This is also a part of preparation. You need to have a good musculoskeletal system. You know, pregnancy, it brings out all the anxieties in you. But when you have strong muscles and bones, it is going to be very easy for you to go through this strain of pregnancy because your bones and ligaments, your systems are going to work more. So the exercise is going to help you tone your muscles so that you can carry this new life with grace and love. Moreover, a healthy mind is also very important. So exercise for the body and exercise for the mind, which is meditation, they all really help. Your mind, body and spirit need to be working in harmony. You know, medical research today also has proven that our brain, the thoughts that which we are creating, our brain is in sync with the people who are around us. And the hormones which are released by our brain, those same hormones are released by the brains of the people around us. So that is why we have similar thought patterns. Similar happens with our heart. Our hearts are also in sync with the people around us. So we have similar emotional patterns which are going on around us. So it's very, very important. Then when we are planning a virtue baby, we are very clear that we want to take care of our heart and mind both. We have to just go within into our own consciousness. Because whatever we think from our inner conscience, that is what is actually going to create this virtue baby. As I told you, each and every thought that you are creating is actually creating your virtue babies. It's creating the personality of your child. And you are the maker of the personality of your child. If you were to decide that these are the qualities I want in my baby, so I would say please start practicing them. When I tell you that you have to move within yourself, when I tell you that you have to move within, it doesn't mean that I tell you please don't interact with people around you. I don't mean to tell you that you have to move away from everybody. It's only that whatever your own heart and mind will create, as I told you, it's going to be best for your baby. So within your family, with your spouse, try to take out that restful time, that you think positive, that you specifically create those thoughts which is going to nurture your baby within your womb. That is the importance of understanding this little fact which medical research today is telling us. It means that that actually you are harmonizing with people with whom you are staying. You are accepting their attitudes. You are not fighting within your own mind for that. It is because once you have those similar thought patterns with people staying around you, that is going to actually bring forth a virtue baby in your life. This is the importance of understanding this medical fact. You know, your body is going to be subjected to a lot of tests, a lot of ultrasounds, scans. Doctor is going to examine you. Your movement in the hospital is going to increase. But it's not that you are not healthy. It's only that you are creating a healthy life within. So that also synchronization is very important that you need to do. Because these little anxieties which you carry with pregnancy, this also makes the mind of your baby. And you don't want to create an anxious mind for your baby, I am sure. So once you understand this fact, that your thought patterns, your actions, your feelings are the world for your baby. So the entire family can harmonize and create those beautiful, pure thought patterns, pure feelings, do pure actions so that they have a virtue baby. This is going to make your pregnancy journey easy and safe both, because I am sure that every parent is working only and only to give the best to their baby. You want to create a future which is peaceful, loving, happy. So join in hands and come with us in this Virtue Baby project. Prepare yourself physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually to embark on this journey of parenthood and create a virtue baby.